Stop. Before you put garlic on your face, you need to hear this. What seems like a natural remedy could actually ruin your skin. In the next few minutes, I'll show you why garlic is dangerous for your face and what you can do instead for clear, glowing skin. Don't risk it. Watch till the end.
1. Introduction. The garlic misconception. People love shortcuts. We all do, especially when it comes to skin. Someone online says, garlic can clear your face in a day. Sounds tempting, but here's the truth. Garlic is strong, very strong. Its smell alone can make you tear up. Imagine putting that directly on your face. It seems natural, harmless, but it's not. Skin is delicate, especially the face. And garlic? It doesn't care. It can burn, irritate, even leave scars. That tiny clove hiding in your kitchen, it's more powerful than you think. 2. Garlic and its hidden danger. Garlic has compounds, sulfur-based, allicin. They fight bacteria inside your body. Great. But outside, on your skin, different story. Those same compounds are aggressive. They can inflame, sting, make skin red. Not just a little, sometimes a lot. Some people try it on acne. They think it will kill bacteria. But what happens is, it kills the skin barrier too. Your skin starts peeling, burning, red, painful, and it can get worse if you leave it on too long. 3. Real-life reactions people don't talk about. I remember a friend trying garlic. She had a few pimples. Thought, why not? She rubbed raw garlic on her face. Next morning, her skin looked like a nightmare. Red patches, tiny blisters, pain. She had to apply aloe vera and cold compresses for hours. A few days later, scars, all from one clove. And she's not alone. Many people experience the same. It's subtle at first, then suddenly, it's a burn. People ignore the warning signs. That's the danger. 4. Why your skin reacts this way. Skin is alive. It reacts to everything, especially chemicals. And garlic? A natural chemical bomb. Your face doesn't have the same tolerance as your stomach. Eating garlic is safe. Skin? Not so much. It's about pH balance, skin's natural oils, the protective barrier. Garlic disrupts all of it. That's why redness appears, burns, itching, even swelling, and sometimes permanent hyperpigmentation, especially for those with sensitive or acne-prone skin.
5. Garlic won't solve acne the way you think. Acne isn't just bacteria. That's a common mistake. It's oil, dead cells, hormones, inflammation, even stress. Garlic can kill bacteria, sure, but it can't fix all the other causes. And irritation? It makes acne worse. Pimples flare up, skin becomes sensitive. That miracle cure turns into a disaster. So if you're looking for clear skin, garlic is not your friend. Not on the face.
6. Safer alternatives that actually work. Don't worry, there's hope. You don't need to torture your skin with garlic. Ingredients like salicylic acid, benzoyl peroxide, niacinamide, and tea tree oil are effective. They target acne gently, and there's science behind them. Gentle cleansers, hydration, moisturizers that don't clog pores, they work. Skin doesn't like shortcuts. It likes care. Consistency beats a miracle cure any day.
7. Natural remedies that are safe. If you want natural, go gentle. Aloe vera, honey, green tea, oatmeal. They calm inflammation, heal irritation, help acne without burning skin. You can make masks, apply overnight, or mix with moisturizer. Safe, slow, effective. Unlike garlic, these remedies won't leave scars, won't make you regret it the next morning. Your skin deserves respect, not experimentation with chemical burns. 8. How to avoid skin mistakes. Always test first. Patch test on your wrist. Wait 24 hours. Watch for redness, itch, pain. Avoid strong, concentrated ingredients. Lemon juice, raw garlic, undiluted essential oils, dangerous. Protect your skin. Moisturize. Avoid harsh scrubbing. Apply sunscreen daily. Skin is delicate, and it remembers every mistake. One wrong experiment can leave marks for weeks or months. Be careful.
9. The emotional side of skin damage. Red, irritated skin is more than cosmetic. It affects confidence, mental health, stress spikes. People turn to DIY remedies in desperation, but mistakes make it worse. You think, I just want clear skin fast. Then one day, you see a burn or scar in the mirror. Regret, frustration, anger. Skincare is not just physical, it's emotional too. That's why safe, slow methods win. 10. Conclusion. Protect, don't punish your skin. Garlic is powerful. Inside your body, yes. On your face, no. Burns, irritation, acne flare-ups, scars, all risks for one shortcut. Clear skin comes from patience, care, gentle science-backed products, hydration, sun protection, healthy diet. No clove will replace that. Respect your skin. Avoid harsh experiments. Safe, consistent care always wins, and you'll thank yourself later. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, hit that like button and subscribe to Skincare Fix for more safe, effective skincare tips. Remember, glowing skin doesn't come from shortcuts. It comes from care and consistency. See you in the next video.